If you want to learn to plan your big event like a pro, then this channel is for you. Subscribe on YouTube and all social platforms. Welcome to Plan Like a Pro with Bruce and Tara.
I'm Bruce Russell.
And I'm Tara Fay.
And if you're interested in professional planning tips for your wedding, party,
event, then subscribe to this channel.
Bruce Russell and Tara Fay are two of the most sought-after event planners in the world. From the exotic terrain of Morocco to the lush landscapes of Ireland, Bruce and Tara organize dream events for the young and hip to the more conservative clientele. The rich and famous rely heavily on event planners like Bruce and Tara for the confidence that their weddings, events and parties are being organized by the best in the business. Join Bruce and Tara live to learn how to plan a stress-free wedding, a flawless party, or intimate dinner party.
We've got loads of videos coming up where we're going to discuss everything from having to fire a bridesmaid
to setting the perfect table. Oh, and dealing with a future mother-in-law.
Dealing? You don't deal with someone.
Yes, you do.
Okay then. And all the answers to those questions you never even knew you had to ask.
Are you planning a wedding, party, or major occasion? Then hit subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when new videos are released. Watch, listen, and plan like a pro.